Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use Drawing Assist to create custom clip arts. So Drawing Assist takes simple sketches and transform them into polished, AI-enhanced artwork. So whether you doodle a stick figure or a rough pumpkin, Drawing Assist can convert it into a stylish cartoon, watercolor, or a clean illustration. So this opens up the creativity possibility for wallpapers, icons, stickers, or even personalized content for social media. Let me show you how to get Drawing Assist on your Samsung Galaxy device. So here we'll go ahead and open up the Edge panel, and from here we'll see Drawing Assist. Now if you don't see Drawing Assist, you can go ahead and tap on Edit, and then tap on Edit again here, 3 dots, and now here you want to go ahead and add the Drawing Assist, which is a Galaxy AI suite. Now for some reason if it's disabled, you can go ahead and enable this in Settings, Galaxy AI. Here find Drawing Assist and make sure this is turned on. Now once that's turned on, you want to go ahead and turn on your Edge panel. From here, find Drawing Assist, and now you can go ahead and start doodling. Now there are 3 ways where Drawing Assist can help you create clip arts. So you can basically draw something, you can go ahead and show a picture, or you can go ahead and describe that particular word. So here I go ahead and start off with the drawing first. So let's go ahead and just draw an umbrella. And let's just go ahead and choose if you want watercolor, illustration, pop art, sketch, 3D cartoon, or oil painting. I'll go ahead and choose illustration. And as you can see, it has drawn us a umbrella. Now let's go ahead and try a photo version. So let's just say, for example, this iPhone here. I'll go ahead and generate a pop art. And there you go. It's created a camera out of the iPhone. Next, you can go ahead and use text to create something out of it. So you can go ahead and describe what you want to create. So I'll go ahead and create. Now next, I want to go ahead and choose an illustration, and we'll go ahead and tap on generate. So there you go. This is like a car interior with all the stars in it. So now with all these pictures, you can go ahead and copy it, share it, or download it, or you can go ahead and use it as a sticker in your own messaging apps like WhatsApp or Samsung Message. All of these will have these labels here at the bottom left saying it was created by AI. So even if you're not an artist, you can create unique, high quality visuals. It saves time compared to external apps, and it gives your device or project a personal touch that generic downloads can't match. So there you go guys, that is how to use Drawing Assist to create custom clip arts on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.